Bugle! Get out of the building! Oh, you mean? Salute. Yeah. Emmanuel Selassie. Cause if you blame lights, don't blame light, blame the way how you live it. But I gotta never sleep in ways and if I make no mistake. Yes, if you blame lights, you blame who give it. Don't blame light, blame the way how you live it. But I gotta never sleep in ways and if I make no mistake. I do know this, the best. Come and surpass it. Some of them totally perfect like a job letter. Believe in a giant divide. One that I swear that when the heat and tries to swallow man like alligator. I know them now the black step trade. If you want to know your friend, then like a dead. That's your motive. Them moon that's over your head. And when it's your flesh up like it is a loaf of bread. Never let them get you down in this young head. Them spreading over like them think it's a bed. Them so hard to face. Them are the love. Fire with fire than everyone ever did. Yes man, you blame life. Don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. Father God, it never sleep in way, but it don't make no mistake. Yes, if you blame life, you blame who give it. Don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. Father God, it never sleep in way, but it don't make no mistake. And everyone get a chance to be what they want to. Don't blame it on me if you pass on you. More about we happy, some of them rich and all fun. Never realize the music and more power than they've got now. Everybody have a testimony. All the what make about this money. And say now so no gold, so how them so cold. How them want to see how they live and fail. Cause if you blame like you, so don't blame like them the way how you live it. Father God, it never sleep in way, and it don't make no mistake. Every time you press the biggest I won't need to say. Yes, if you blame guys, you blame who give it. Don't blame like blame the way how you live it. Father God, it never sleep in way, and it don't make no mistake. Every time you press the biggest I won't need to say. Me exercise every day and I'm still not fit. Don't tell me what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do. You give me what I know with your walk and sweat. Hey, so. Well, Emmanuel Selassie, Joe. Selassie. Life journey on that body now. Some people stop by and say, cause my journey is constant. Pull up now. Still there upon the journey, you know. Nobody can make me detour. I drive from the shore, you know. Some people stop by and say, cause my journey is constant. The devil is always gonna be around. Every single day, anywhere they continue. Babylon always will be something to some people stop by and say, cause my journey is constant. Devil is always gonna be around. Every single day, anywhere they continue. Babylon always will be something to people of well, I'm proud on this side, 7 I have a feel. If it's safe for ride a bicycle, long but deliver meal. Hurt to make me have a job, now go rob to go a jail. Fortunately over evil righteousness of the prevail. Good things come in smart passes, some people want to think the rod. You cannot tell them just to forget you come applaud. According to your work, that's how you get the reward. Got to be a rebel with the cause boy. Some people stop by and say, my God is constant. The devil is always gonna be around. Every single day, anywhere they continue. Babylon always will get something to blame. Some people stop by and say, cause my God is continue. The devil is always gonna be around. them no sick and them no have no pink eye. Whoa, and we a watch them a follow. We a lead them a free and a grudge me fi my mates. Alright, and them a set trap, some a fall in a that, but I'm a 19, yeah. So what do we wait till we fall from? So what have I done for you? Why you wanna treat me like a Ezo? Come out there, dude. See. One big up some people, you know what I say? Because if you don't know where you're far from, you don't know where you're going, no? One big up to Warrior who some people I really appreciate and love and respect, you know, throughout the years where music is concerned. One big up Damien Jr. got Marley and one big up Bugle. So I'm going to sing a song where I'm going to Bugle Banton and Damien Marley sing. All of it. Celebrate the life of Joe Mersa. We're now more. But I know I feel for love, to lose somebody where you really love. And I know that feel for lose somebody where you really love. Light man, turn off the light for me. Me know how it feels to lose somebody where you really love. And me lose my mother 3 years now. From a thing when he had cancer. You can't get over that. So me still I go tell everybody who lose somebody say condolences. And me I go tell everybody who have somebody with them love says don't think twice to tell your loved ones say you love them. Don't bother wait until them sick here rush I go to the hospital. You might not make it in time. I used to the call when me get when my mother drop out. Everybody in your side go get that. It's either you drop out or you don't get it. So which one you go choose? You want it or you want drop out? Whether or not you want it, you have to get it. I just say it's one life. Anybody in your son will have a cell phone. Maybe I'm gonna do me one favor. Just turn on the light for 1 second. Turn on the light for 1 second. I could shine the one of the Joe Mersa. Joe Mersa, I turn on my light for now. For 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Now we celebrate life, you know. Me stop mourn for my mother because she does too much to my heart for me. They start mourn and a ball for mama. So now me celebrate mama life. Turn up the rhythm and celebrate mama life. No worry about your Mersa. Wait up on the